am Tanya and this is makeup for classic body type. Classic makeup are elegant, well blend and harmonize. The brow should have a defined, soft arc shape. Start by draw a clean line, then fill in with soft color that match with your hair color. For eyeshadow, choose neutral color or soft mood color. For a dark eyeshadow shade, make sure you blend it seamlessly. And you can enhance your eye with minimal smudgy eyeliner. For lips, use lip liner is essential for a perfect look. And any color that are not too bright are all good. In semi-matte finish. And if you want to wear more heavy look makeup, make sure that the colors of lip, cheek and eye match with each other to get a cohesive, elegant look. For face, matte or semi-matte finish are great. Then gently apply brush on or under the upper of your cheek and sweep upward. The makeup classic body type should avoid are all sharp bow lines which are dramatic, and any contrast look like glam eyes, pale or bright lips, extreme highlight or contour. And unlike makeup for other types, classic makeup would look good on literally any body type, since it was a perfect blend between dramatics and romantics. Except for Gamine, classic makeup can be a bit plain, but you can add just a pop of color like a bright lips or colorful eyeliner. And this is all makeup for classic body type. So if you like this makeup for body type, you might want to check out the rest. I will leave the link down below. So thank you for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!